Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the stand on your Philips 22-inch monitor. If you're interested in this monitor or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have our two pieces of the stand right here. So we got the base plate and the arm. It's only really going to fit one way. So you're going to take this piece right here with that open rectangular cutout, and we're going to line it up with the two slots right there, because that's going to be our release. If we ever need to take this stand apart, we're going to press that, it's going to free it up, and then we can pull it out. So line them up just like this. So, and then work its way in there a little bit, and then you just press. Ta-da, there we go. Now they're both seated together. And we'll come back here. Now we'll slide this into the back of the monitor. Let me see if I can show you it from the overhead camera. But just go ahead and line it up. And then it just slides right in. And then you heard that snap. Ta-da, there we go. We now have the included stand installed. Let's take a look at its functionality. Very basic stand here. So can we tilt it back? Yes, we can. But that's our max tilt forward. There's no swivel left or right or rotation or anything else. So basically you can tilt back and that's it. There's no height adjustment or anything else. That's what you can expect with the included stand for this Philips 22-inch computer monitor.